What's good, guys? Alright, so today we're going to be doing a unboxing. We haven't done a mystery box on this channel yet, so this is going to be the first one. This one comes from Travis Scott. You see all the shoes right here. I forgot my fours, of course. I'm an idiot, and I'm going to have Memo help me out on this one because he is, you know, the true Travis Scott fan. So much stuff. Where do we begin? Alright, box number one. This one is the tie-dye tees. These came out part of the highest in the room release. I'll go ahead and open this one. I'm going to keep a 2X for myself anyway, so I'll show you guys. The front's got the Cactus Jack hit in brown. It's like raised.
It's a puff print.
Yeah, puff print Cactus Jack left chest, and then the back's the highest in the room. This tie-dye is, the back's thick, front's not.
It's supposed to be painted.
Painted, yeah. So this one's a little bit different than normal traditional tie-dye and all the other tie-dyes that, you know, Travis Scott's been using recently. Something cool, something different. How many shirts are in there? There's a couple of them. 4.
So many.
I don't know. I think it's like 16, 20 of those tees. That's the first box. Let's try this little one. I actually had one of these packages delivered to my house, and it said it got delivered. When I got home, nothing was there. A neighbor came, dropped it off, said that it got delivered to their house. They opened it and everything. It was the highest in the room.
They opened it?
They opened it. Luckily, everything's still in there. But
to your knowledge.
So this one's gonna be the Alien T-shirt. This one says, "She fills my minds with ideas."
You want to open that one?
I don't really want to keep this, but I'll open it to show you guys, I guess. This one's like a washed gray. It's got the alien in like a picture frame looking thing, Cactus Jack on the inside tag, and then Cactus Jack.
And puff print again.
Puff print again behind the neck. And we'll go and we'll get B-roll of all of it. But this one's like a dark gray fading to light.
It's like a slate.
Yeah. It's not horrible, but it reminds me of some shirts back in the day that we did for the stores that I really didn't like. Those are now vintage.
I have one.
This one already decided to open itself. This one is...
It's the highest it's just highest in the room bag. But you want to open next to 2XLs, right?
I mean, yeah.
This one's cool. This one will probably match with the Air Force. Just because this brown isn't on the ones. Yeah, it'll match perfectly with Air Force.
Let's check to open up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Looks like this puff
7.
print thing is what they're gonna be doing from now on. It's been on Kanye's Jesus is King merch and Kid Cudi's hoodies lately. And now it's Cactus Jack. The whole thing is puff print.
Yeah, I probably will keep this one since Cactus Jack's so big on it. And this is what Memo's saying.
Coming soon. I'm getting that tatted right here.
Alright. Leave one of each open one so we can get B-roll. Let's go this box next. Oh, this one is not highest in the room.
That's Cactus 6.
So this is the hoodie for this. Large. There's a 2X. There's a 2X.
It's like puff print, but it's not so puffy.
There's a little special gift at the bottom of this one.
That's texture to it. We'll have the Nike Air in the front, backwards or upside down. Cactus Jack in the back. Jordan logo has little cactus bricks.
This is the
Good dope.
dark one, upside down. Jordan, highest, connecting to the cactus. There's boom boom. This is the Nike Air, and then Cactus Jack on the side. This is like a, I don't know, it's like a 5-6 panel,
No, it's a 6 panel.
but it doesn't have the,
Yeah,
it
1,
stops
2,
right here.
3, 4, 5, 6.
I guess it's for the Nike logo. They make whatever they want.
It's the traditional Travis Scott merch hats.
This is the UPS brown.
But what's something different here is this one has a Made in USA tag. Other ones don't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these.
This is probably my favorite one.
Pretty sure I ordered more, but we'll get to that, I guess. Oh, these are those highest in the room hoodies.
You already have one though.
Yeah, but fine, I guess.
Open a small. We're gonna put that on display.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Little
I like the
single.
Cactus Jack on the back of that one.
Little stick figure. Just turn it up so they can't.
This is the puff print again. They're doing that with all the Cactus Jack stuff.
A lot of stuff on this face.
This one is the other hoodie.
Your green hat should be in there if I'm not mistaken.
Medium.
That's the one with the lyric on the back.
Probably the one you were.
I personally don't like it, but
And we're back. Alright, so we had someone come in, had to buy it, cash out on Easy real quick, but
Easy was fake.
so we didn't cash out. But he ruined the video, so now we're back at it. So this one is the highest in the room hoodie. It's got the logo, the Cactus Jack on the front. The back has the whole song lyrics. We just listened to the song word for word. It's all on there. It's correct. You hated the hoodie when I ordered it. How do you feel now?
I hate it.
Okay.
The end isn't for decoding, just vibe.
This is puff print. Oh no.
It is.
Those will blur.
This is that one.
So
Where are your green hats?
I don't know. I got a notification that I had a package out for delivery.
Well, so he's missing the normal Cactus Jack hat.
Yep.
In brown.
I have
The green
16 or 20
Nike
of those.
hat. And then the green Cactus Jack.
Yeah, I ordered all this stuff. I don't know where it all is. Wanted to make the video while it was still fresh in everyone's mind and whatnot. But we're gonna get you guys some B-roll of all of the apparel. We're gonna get it with the shoes that we think it kind of goes with. Show you guys some more of this Cactus Jack Travis Scott stuff as it comes in. Stay tuned. If you guys see the store behind me, this is Royal One LV. This is our other store, the one that was on the strip. The lease was up, so now we're back over here. We will be in Los Angeles SneakerCon in 2 weeks, December 6th, 7th, 7th, 8th, something like that.
7, 8.
7 and 8. We've got a big booth out there. Got some stuff coming for you. But in the meantime, keep checking on the YouTube. Stay up to date with us on the Instagrams. We'll put memos. We'll put mine. Angelica's gonna.